Hey, Dawn Patrol, Marky Mark here with my good buddy.
Hey Steve, how you doing?
As we learned last Wednesday, don't drive holding a video camera. Second thing we learned is that in the life of Moses, he had the right what? I'm gonna deliver the people of Israel. Isn't that right, Steve-O?
It is.
He didn't have the right how. You don't go killing fools. And he definitely didn't have the right when. We learned that the when is always more important than the what and the how. For example, surfing. Steve-O, are we surfing today?
We're gonna try.
We're gonna try, that's the what. The how is gonna be paddle, 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 and jump on a wave. And here we are in the man band, whoop. And now we're just, for the first time, popping into a peak, a break, live on video camera held by a hand on the phone to see if we pulled the right when. What do you think, Steve-O? What are our odds?
It's looking pretty good. I think we're gonna be good.
You guys tell us.
We did the homework.
We did the homework. Is this oh my goodness, Steve-O!
Oh wow.
We hit the right jackpot. That's how you do the win. We got websites, one's called Surfline, one's called Spitcast, and we nailed it. Steve-O did the homework. We said noon on Thursday. So listen, as you consider your week and your day and what God's called you to do, the what, the how, but always pray through the when. And if we make it out, we'll see you next Wednesday.
See you guys. Have a good one.